Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up conversion tracking using Google Tag Manager. We should have already an account with Google Ads where you're running either your text-based ads or your video ads through YouTube or whatever platform. So once you've jumped onto the website, you'll see there's a create an account button if you haven't already. Pause the video and quickly run through that and get that up and running. If you have, and you just want to know how to do it, you'll obviously have your container name down here, which for everybody else is your website where your traffic is getting driven to. So you want to click on that to get your tag set up. Once that comes through, go down to the tags option. I've already set all mine up. I've already got analytics running, I've got ads remarketing running, I've also got that Google Ads tracking as well, and Conversion Link already set up. But to set up a new tracking system, go into new and your tag configuration. You want to set up your Google Ads conversion tracking. And then your conversion ID and your conversion label, they will come out of your Google Ads campaign on that website. If you've got them already, great. Otherwise, there is another video you can watch of me getting the information as well and just showing you how to use that in the background and the back end as well. So you copy and paste those two values into there. Your conversion value will be a 1 in this case because I am tracking just leads that sign up and subscribe and become a member of mine. So if you have, an e-commerce store where a conversion is a pair of socks or whatever it is, that value can change based on whatever it is you are selling. Okay, so you want to go down conversion linking, you leave all that alone, that one's all set up the way it is, and your advanced settings. The only thing that I will mention through this one is you want to have it as once per event. When you're on a subscription based and it's just a one single sign up and that's it, so when they hit a thank you page or they hit a thank you for subscribing, you want once per event for that customer. If you have something that can occur multiple times, like if they're purchasing goods off you and they can buy socks, for example, you want once per page because they might come back and they might rebuy. So anything that requires multiple times that customer to hit the page or that person to hit the page, you want once per page, but once per event, so they can't refresh or they can't rejoin up under a new email and skew your results. Okay, so that's the one I'll explain, and the rest is fine. Now, triggering is how your conversion's actually going to trigger. So I've got mine set up here for those two, but you want to go up and see this little box up, this little X up here, trigger configuration. And you want them to list a page view. Now again, this is just for leads and subscribing, so that's all they want to do. And you want some page views. Now you want to go to page URL because it's going to be part of the URL is what they hit. Okay, and whatever your website or whatever your pages they hit, it will have at the end of it either a thank you or subscribe or whatever it is. So mine, when they hit it, is www.stephenaquila.com/thank you. So that's exactly what I'll put in there. So when they hit that web page and they get that, it will automatically trigger from the background a subscriber. They've already filled the details in and they've already gone through and subscribed. Page view, so your trigger name, you can do page view, or I've just done a page view test for example, and that will jump you back through here and just click that button there and your Google Ads conversion. So just for argument's sake, I've left mine in the background as Google Ads conversion tracking for simplicity, just because I've only got one tracking for this site set up at the moment, but call it whatever you like. But just remember that if you keep building on the website or whatever you're tracking or your business, and you start having multiple ones, it does get tricky to kind of see where they are and what's going on in the background as well. So if you have to make it a bit more direct as to what you're actually tracking, then here's the best place to do it, so you're not coming back and wondering what that trigger is actually for. Okay, now once obviously these details aren't filled in, but once they're filled in, do hit save, and it will throw you back through to the other screen, and it will list what your tracking is done. So it will list exactly like that unless you've changed it. It will come up exactly like that. And then just hit submit and you're good to go. But as I said, I will do another video I've done another video on the Google Ads campaign where you pull that data from, and just a quick rundown on tracking your campaign and watching where you're spending and whatnot. So yeah, do tune into my other video, but other than that, you're good to go when you can start seeing where your conversions are working and making sure your money's going to the right place, basically, and not spending where you shouldn't be. So I'll see you next video, guys. Thank you.